Good morning dear student, welcome to the chemistry online class. Today we will discuss about the another chapter, that is separation of substance. Okay, you are seeing so many substance or mixture, okay, in your daily day life that all contain one or the other component that we call as mixture. Okay, for example, lemon juice. Lemon juice, it contain lemon, salt, sugar and water. Okay, and stone that will be mixed with the rice, that is also one of the mixture. Here see, stone in rice, this we call as mixture. When you remove the stone from the rice, this will get rice, this we call as pure substance. Okay, so this is a mixture. What is mixture? It will contain two or more components, that we call as mixture. And pure substance in the sense what? So it will contain only one component. Here rice, it is only the one component, that's why we call this as a pure substance. Okay, here stone is mixed with the rice. It is necessary to remove the stone from the rice. Yes, it is necessary. Why? Because the stone, it is harmful to our health, that's why we have to remove the stone and we have to obtain the desirable or pure substance from the mixture. This is the need for separating the component of a mixture. There are two reasons. What are those? One is removing harmful or unwanted components, and second one is what? Obtaining useful and desired component in a pure form. Okay, there are so many methods are there for removing a solid mixture or solid liquid or liquid mixture. Okay, now we discuss about the separating a component from a mixture by solid method. Okay, so methods used to separate solid mixture. Okay, there are four methods that is used to separate solid mixture. In that, first one is hand picking method. Okay, now I take one example. Okay, that is the rice that contain full of stones. Okay, how I can remove? By blowing air? No, I am using my hand to remove the stone from the rice. Okay, what I am using? I am using my hand to remove the stone from the rice, that we call as hand picking. Okay, by using a hand, that we call as hand picking method. So removing a component from mixture by using hand, that we call as hand picking. Okay, so here what happened? It is used for mixture in which the components looks visibly, okay, look visibly different. Stone, it is look visibly different from that of the rice. Now we can remove very easily. Okay, one more example. What? Black grapes mixed with the green grapes. Okay, now we can remove the black grapes from the green grapes by using our hand. Okay, this is the first method to separate solid mixture. So next method what? Winnowing. This is the second method used to separate the solid mixture. So here what we have to use? We are using blowing the air. Again that stone that is mixed with the dust. Okay, completely it is mixed with the dust. Can I use my hand to remove the dust from the rice? No, we cannot use. We can use the air, like by blowing the air we can remove the dust from the mixture, that we call as winnowing method. What is the example? Separating the dust from the rice. What is the definition? Separate the component from mixture by blowing air or wind. Okay, so here what happened? Lighter component can be separated by using the blowing air. The dust, it is a lighter component compared to the rice. We can remove that one. Okay, we can remove by blowing the air or a wind. This is the second method. Okay, next method what? Sieving. You know already about the sieving. Here what happened? The material or a mixture that is in the different size. Okay, so again that rice mixed with the salt or sugar powder, So now we can remove the sugar powder from the rice. Can I use my hand to remove that one? No. Or by blowing the air we can remove? No. So hand picking and winnowing, that is not work here. So which method we are using here? Sieving method. Okay, sieve. You know already about the sieve, correct? So by using the sieve we can remove the sugar powder from the mixture, in the sense from the rice. Okay, from the rice we can remove the sugar powder, that we call as sieving. That is in the different size. Rice, it is a different size compared to the sugar or a powder, that is sugar will be less, okay, compared to the rice. We can remove by using the sieve. This is the third method. So next method what? Threshing. This is the fourth method. So here what happened? It is used to separate mixture with the components that are stuck to the other component. Farmers are use the threshing method most probably. Okay, so here what happened? One component that will be mixed to the other component. Now we can remove that one by hard surface. Okay, by beating to the hard surface we can remove the component from the mixture, that we call as threshing. Here what is the example? Separate grain from the stalk. Okay, so grain that will be attached to the stalk. How can we remove? We can remove by beaten to the hard surface. When we beat to the hard surface, the components will be removed, okay, from the stalk. This is the fourth method. So totally how many methods are there to separate solid mixture? There are 4 methods. First one is hand picking, next one is winnowing, third one is sieving, and fourth one is threshing. Okay, so next we move on to the method of separating solid liquid or liquid mixture. Okay, so 4 methods are used to separate the solid liquid or liquid mixture. Okay, in that first method is sedimentation method. Okay, now we do the one activity, that is take one beaker. It will contain with the muddy water. You know muddy water. So water, it is completely mixed with the mud. So disturb it and keep it for 5 minutes. What happened? Mud will be settled downside and the water will be in the upside. Okay, this process we call as sedimentation process. Okay, when the heavier component within a mixture settles after adding a water, that we call as sedimentation method. Okay, so upside what is there? Water, and the downside mud is there. Mud, it is a heavier component, that's why it is in the downside, and water is lighter component compared to the mud, that's why it is in the upper side. This we call as sedimentation. Okay, so next what to do? We have to pour the upper side water we have to pour to the other beaker. Okay, so pouring of this water to the other beaker we call as decantation process. Okay, when the water is removed is called decantation. Simple removal of water. Okay, that we call as decantation. This is about sedimentation and this is decantation. This is first method we are used to remove the solid liquid mixture. Okay, so next method what? Filtration. This filtration method, what happened? Again I said already, we can pour the water to the other beaker, just a water. That water contain only the pure substance, that is in the form of pure? No, it contains still mud, some mud only. Okay, so it is not in the form of pure. So what we have to do? We have to use the method filtration to clean the water or to purify the water, that we call as filtration. So filtration is a process by which insoluble solids can be removed from a liquid by using filter paper, that we call as filtration. Okay, for example what? Separating the tea leaves from tea. Okay, from the tea what we have to remove? Tea leaves we can remove by using the filtration process. Okay, So next method what? Evaporation method. So you know already about the evaporation. What is evaporation? The process of conversion of water into water vapor, that we call as evaporation method. This method is used to separate the solid liquid mixture also, otherwise liquid mixture also we can use for this method. Ironing of class is there, okay. And salt, it is mixed with the water. How can we remove? We can remove by using the evaporation process. So sea water, from the sea water, how can we remove the salt? By using this method only. This is the third method used to separate solid liquid or liquid mixture also, okay. This evaporation method can be used for both, okay. So next method what? Condensation. This is totally opposite from the evaporation process. What happened here? The process of conversion of water vapor into water or vapor into liquid, that we call as condensation process. This is also used to remove solid liquid or liquid mixture. What are the examples? Foggy mirror or clouds, again it will come back to the form of water, correct. So this is also one of the method, okay. How many methods are there here? 4 methods. So first one what? Sedimentation. Next second one filtration. Third one evaporation, and the fourth one is condensation method, okay. So in this chapter what we learn? We learn about the pure substance, mixture, okay, definition of mixture and why we need to separate the mixture, and methods using to remove the solid mixture and solid liquid or liquid mixture. What are the method used to separate the solid mixture? First one is hand picking, second one is winnowing, third one is sieving, and fourth one is threshing for solid mixture. Next, for solid liquid mixture, what are the methods here? So here first one sedimentation, here only decantation and sedimentation both are in one process. So sedimentation, filtration, third one evaporation, and the last one is condensation. So I hope understand your topic. Thank you.